Hello friends. So my next video is why China, why coronavirus, what exactly is happening. So as per astrology, there is something called as Ketu or dragon's tail, and we all know that China symbol is dragon. We know that China symbol is dragon, dragon's tail, dragon head, dragon tail, whatever. Okay. The eclipse that happened in December on December 26th happened in the sign called Sagittarius. So I will show you the date. 1 second. So as you can see, the eclipse happened in the sign Sagittarius. Okay, all the planets were in Sagittarius. All the planets, Sun, Moon, Mercury, Saturn, Jupiter, most importantly Ketu. Okay, Ketu is dragon's tail. Dragon's tail, that is a China dragon. As per Jaimini's Maharshi Jaimini, says Jaimini, Ketu means making detailed knowledge of watches. So in today's context, it is manufacturing hub of electronics, okay, and extremely precise equipment. See, detailed knowledge of watches. Today's world, it can be knowledge of high precision machines like computers, watches, electronics, everything. And we all know China is that. And Ketu is not only that, high, precise, small things, it also is viruses. Because viruses are small, simple. Eclipse happened in Sagittarius, 6 planets in fire sign, and dragon is fire. So that's why China. So this was a short video on the link between dragon's tail, Ketu, China, coronavirus, and impending dust. Thanks a lot, friends. Let me